Hello, camera. So we haven't seen each other in a really long time. Today we're going on another trip, and it's Thescon 2025. It's my last year. It's her last year. This is Katie, by the way. Hi, Katie. And we are going to just show you guys what's up, and workshops and singing and shows and stuff. And yeah, all right. See you there.
Right now we're on the bus and we're going to be going to the Riverside Billiard Theater. It's going to be a lot of fun. We're going to be taking you along with us. We're going to be seeing the dress rehearsal of the opening show, and it's going to be a great time. Alright, peace out.
Okay, we're here, and we have lanyards. Yours is upside down. So hug pins are a tradition at Thescon, and they basically mean like when you meet somebody, you kind of just switch pins, and it's just a really cool memento. You want to bring as many as you can usually.
So Elizabeth got 5.
And I brought 9. I'm gonna see if I can make some more tonight. But yes, we just watched dress rehearsal. I didn't record it because we were late.
We watched 4 minutes of it.
We watched 4 minutes of it.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create.
Okay, so I just got done with the first course. It was absolutely amazing. It was really cool, really interesting people. The main thing that I learned was how you need to connect with the character by using like imagination, emotions, and then perpetualization, I think, is where you do certain exercises that tricks your body into thinking that they're actually in this scenario, when in reality, it's not. It's kind of the same way of like when somebody takes your blood, you know you're doing a blood drive, but your brain doesn't, so it goes into panic mode and kind of faints. It was really cool. I really loved the class. I really loved what it taught me. It kind of also taught you to love yourself as an actress and kind of view every character as a certain part of you. Even if you don't think you can be that character, you actually can. I think it's a pretty controversial take, because sometimes maybe you connect to a character too well, and I feel like you do need to separate yourself from a character. But I also do understand that when you do love yourself, disconnecting with the character is pointless because you love that character, if that makes sense. But yeah, it was a really nice course. I really loved it. Alright, now it's dinner time, so see you there. Peace. So this is the university place. There's some over there as well, and this is where a lot of colleges come to kind of promote themselves. But also, yes, Katie got a Fox mug, and it's also places where theaters can promote themselves. It's not super crowded right now because everyone's having dinner, which we should probably go get soon. But it's really cool. I really love it. There's a lot of pins you can get. There's a lot of different things you can buy. I'm personally not a buyer. I'm a girl that likes free things, so I will not be buying anything. But yeah, it's a really cool place to meet people and kind of geek over at theater or find a really cool opportunity to audition. All right, bye.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Okay, we just got done with the second workshop. I went to one about acting in Atlanta and how you get started in your career. It was really interesting. He was really brutally honest about the fact that millions of people don't make it every day, and that you really need to focus on one thing and not multiple things, because that not only is that one thing hard, but then those multiple things are 10 times as hard. So focus on one thing because that one thing is already hard. And I guess the example he gave was voice acting, theater, film. Like, those are all different careers, so trying to make them one thing is impossible. And what did you do?
I went to a workshop that was like different lighting designs, and there was this really cool guy from Tennessee, and he like works for this giant theater, like, and he works in our high school, and there was just like a bunch of stuff he did, and like some really cool techniques. Honestly, it was kind of repetitive, but like he was really funny and entertaining to watch. So I was like, I'll watch you Cookie Bear because I like you.
Very cool. And then Katie got some pins, which she will be showing off.
And then I got some for my friends and my dad.
Very cool. All right, we're gonna be heading to a show, and we will keep you updated.
We haven't played. No, I don't want no rest.
Okay.
So we just finished watching the Spitfire Girl. That was upside down. Wow, that was really embarrassing.
You're embarrassing, bro.
It was nice. My favorite part was the middle part where everything got really emotional and the tears felt real, like the crying when she was really sad felt really real. It was basically about a girl who gets out of prison and starts a new life, and nobody is really taking a chance on her, but this woman and the woman's son's wife, and they kind of build this life together, and they figure out
like
stuff.
The owner's son's wife?
Yeah.
So she had 2 sons?
Yeah. And one of them unfortunately died, but then
But
whoa,
actually didn't.
whoa, spoiler alert. But it was nice, and my favorite part was the middle part, the climax part. It felt really real, really emotional. So they did it pretty nice. Alright, peace. On to the next workshop. Alright, hello everybody. We're making cake. What are you making, Madison? This is Madison.
Oh, hi.
This is CJ. What are you making?
I'm making
Which is your friend Katie's creation. It's gooey but also burnt. Very cool. This is Riley, and Riley scares me because this is her pie. Are you vlogging? I am vlogging. Actually,
And on we'll
So we just did a baking class, and I baked a cake from a partner that you saw. Actually, they participate in the vlog, so you guys know who they are.
I made a hand.
We have a tray right here. Katie, what did you make?
I made a hand, bro. And it had no pinky. And I was like, bro, what the fuck are those fingers? But then they explained it, and I was like, oh my god, this makes sense. And I wanted to die because it was so hard, but it turned out amazing, and they
You
were
did
really
great.
cool.
You did great. And also, I got some pins. I don't know if you can see. I don't know. But it was a lot of fun, and we enjoyed it, and we met some fun people, and overall it was a great experience. Alright, peace out. I forgot to film an outro, so I'll do it now. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Thescon Day 1 was a huge success. I had a lot of fun, met loads of people, and was able to trade pins, which means it was a very successful time. Anyways, see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
She's a little embarrassed to be doing this, so everyone, I need you guys to clap and to go, yes, Elizabeth, go. Go, Elizabeth, go.
Okay, we're going to... This is right there. Okay, one more time. We are going to... This is gonna be a really hard thing to edit. Holy guacamole. Okay, one more time. What are we watching again?
We're watching, I don't know.
Katie's upset because I didn't ask her what she thought of the show. What did you think of the show?
I thought it was very nice, and that's all I have to say.